NDTV Profit in association with NSC.
Well, talking about a specific stock right now, it is NBCC that we are focusing on. The stock is flat but managing to be in the green. It saw some smart gains on Friday as well. The company has released details about its total order book for FY16 and for the month of March, the kind of orders that they won. Mr. Anup Kumar Mittal, CMD at NBCC, is now joining us on the phone line. Thank you very much, Mr. Mittal, for being with us here on NDTV Profit. It's always a pleasure to have you on the show. Sir, can you tell me, you've given us the details about your FY16 total order book stands at 17,516 crore rupees, and if you look at only the month of March at 227, so how would you really see the performance in the month of March? Is it growing or slowing?
See, securing order, if you want to compare month-wise, not happen in our industry. First of all, it's not that it is equally divided, but we should analyze this on annual basis. And if we talk about 15-16, we have secured around 17,500 crore order, which is almost 3 times from previous year. And our order book stand about 36,000 to 40,000 crore rupees by end of 2016. So this is the status, and I'm quite hopeful that in current year, in 17, we will get much more order than what we have secured last year.
Okay. So we've seen at least, in the last 1 year, there has been a lot of focus on the infra road sector. Like you mentioned that it has been 3 times, if you look at the order book of last couple of years and if you compare it with 2016, then if you talk about FY17, any particular target that you have, what kind of a deal pipeline are you working around with? The minister has also said that they've got big plans to award a large number of projects as they complete 2 years in power. So what is it that you're looking forward to now?
See, in current fiscal year, I'm targeting at least 25,000 crore rupees order book. It may be conservative figure, but definitely I'm quite sure that this figure will definitely achieve in this current year.
Okay. Also, could you tell us as to, what has been the situation till now in some of the projects where you are L1 already? Anything that we can expect in the first quarter of FY17 itself?
You see, I want to clarify one thing, that we generally get order on nomination basis, because you see, this company is doing mainly project management consultancy project for government, departments and state government. It's not contracting organization. Primarily, we are project management consultant for government. So our order book, whenever we are securing the order, that is on nomination basis. So it's not that we have to be L1 in the order, competitive bidding. So all these 25,000 crore which I am saying are the projects which are under discussion with government, different level, different stage. So I am sure that by end of September, you will see a substantial amount of order is mature.
Okay. Talking about the redevelopment space where, you really specialize in, what is the update on the current projects? How many are likely to get completed in FY17, and what's the update on this Kidwai Nagar project, sir?
You see, it's a major, one large value project which we are doing on redevelopment segment is Kidwai Nagar, and we have done quite well in last financial year. And the date of completion of this project is December 2019, but we are ahead of completion schedule committed with the government, and I'm sure that at least 6 months to 1 year ahead of schedule we will complete this project.
Okay. You said ahead of, you will be completing it by 2018, 1 year ahead of its schedule, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What about this another acquisition that took place, sir? Hindustan Construction. Could you share Hindustan Steelworks Construction? Could you share some details on that front as well?
You see, this company is, under Ministry of Steel, and they also do, of course, this company was formed for only steel plant projects, but of late, they also started project management consultancy project like NBCC is doing. So they are in the same sphere, and which we are doing. and the government, we are in discussion with the government, which is, very final stage, that this company will be merged with NBCC, or we will take over this company. They have debt, but this company will be merged with NBCC after restructuring. Means on NBCC there will be any hit financially. It will be restructured, then it will be merged with NBCC. They have around 8,000 crore rupees of order outstanding, and last 3 years they were doing around 1,500 crore rupees average turnover, with the operating margin of about 5 to 7%.
Okay. Also, sir, could you share with us, as far as this entire smart city project is concerned, what kind of an opportunity are you seeing there? Have you already started working on this one? We believe that NBCC was looking to consider, something in it. So, could you update us on that?
See, in the smart city project, scheme, NBCC is looking for opportunity in redevelopment segment, where these state government or city government require money. Definitely, they will go majorly for monetizing their land and redevelopment of their properties. And NBCC has experience and some kind of expertise. So we are offering our services mainly in that segment. Of course, we are also looking for some, business in infrastructure development and IT space.
Have you heard from is there any project on the table right now?
Yes, few cities are under discussion with NBCC, and few TPRs are also under preparation. And in addition to that, some of the railway station redevelopment projects also we are looking for some opportunity.
Okay, and how soon can we see some development, some movement ahead on that front?
I think in next 3 months' time.
Okay. Last question, sir. We were also reading that you were looking to redevelop a couple of more projects in New Delhi itself. Could you update where those projects could really be, and any update that you've got from the government side on that?
You see, like we are doing Kidwai Nagar project. There are other government colonies which has been considered for redevelopment, and NBCC is agency selected for that, and that's why I said by end of September you will hear substantial amount of order inflow, and that will be mainly from this redevelopment segment.
Are you talking about Netaji Nagar, etc., which is in the pipeline? Yes. Are we likely to see that finalizing by September end?
Yeah.
You said yes.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Mittal. Thank you very much for joining us here.